I am building an app that might change financial industry forever. Financial advisors will finally be able to work with thousands of clients at once without losing the personal touch. Hey everyone, I am Nirvan Singh from Haryana, India, currently studying at Bal Vikas Progressive School. A few months ago, I started building a small personal branding agency that helped financial advisors build trust online. But over time, I realized something bigger that could change how financial advice is given and who can actually afford to get it. The problem is simple. Most people cannot afford a financial advisor, and most advisors can't serve more than 100 to 200 clients without burning out. The truth is, we live in a world where billions are making financial decisions alone, while thousands of advisors sit on strategies that could change lives. That's broken. Financial advice shouldn't be a luxury. It should be a right. Here's what I am building. A platform where financial advisors are very niche specific, like those helping teachers save for retirement or doctors exit their practice. On that platform, advisors can share who they serve, their strategies and values. Clients can watch, connect, and choose an advisor they trust based not just on credentials but on ideas and strategies. But it doesn't stop there. As advisors will be very niche specific, they can upload their strategies into an AI system and the AI will automate daily tasks with the oversight of financial advisors. This means personalized advice built by human, delivered and supported by AI. And because AI handles day-to-day tasks, reminders, and follow-ups, advisors can serve 10x more people at a lower cost. So even if you're a student, a small business owner, or someone in rural area, you will still be able to get specialized and personalized financial help that fits your life. And here's the best part. I will only charge advisors based on wealth and the number of clients they manage through the platform. That means they only pay when they benefit. No risk, no upfront costs. Wait, aren't there robo-advisors and finance apps like Betterment, Wealthfront, or Grow everywhere? Yes, but they are completely different and often more wasteful than helpful because they are built to replace humans, not support them. They give out templated advice, ignore context, and treat everyone the same. That's not personal, that's not trust. That's why I'm not just letting AI do it all. Right now, AI isn't ready to handle people's life savings on its own. It still needs human judgment and responsibility behind it. That's why my platform keeps advices at center and uses AI as a tool, not replacement. But this isn't just another tech tool. This is financial revolution. Imagine a 18-year-old in India or a teacher in an African village getting the same quality of advice as someone rich in New York. That's what I am fighting for. I'm not from a big firm. I'm not a VC. I'm just a teenager who started with what I had. A personal branding agency to build trust with advisors. Now I'm studying machine learning to build tools that don't replace advisors but scale them. And I deeply believe financial freedom should belong to everyone, not just the 1%. I am eliminating overpriced one-on-one sessions, reducing advisor burnout, raising personalization and trust, and creating a powerful AI human hybrid platform built to make financial advice scalable and accessible to all. If you're a financial advisor watching this, your strategies matter and they can help way more people than you think. Let's build a system that connects with thousands of clients and makes financial assistance affordable for all. Let's build it now. This is my mission, this is my journey, and this is only the beginning. Thanks for watching.